Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the many health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a popular spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It has a spicy, slightly sweet taste and is often used in cooking and as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its ability to reduce nausea. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or chemotherapy-induced nausea, ginger has long been used as a natural remedy to help alleviate these forms of nausea. Ginger may also be effective in reducing muscle pain and soreness. This makes it a great natural remedy for athletes or anyone who engages in physically demanding activities. It may also be effective in reducing the severity of menstrual cramps. In addition to its pain-relieving properties, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for people with conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Some studies have also suggested that ginger may be effective in lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. This makes it a potentially useful natural remedy for people with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Finally, ginger may be effective in reducing heavy menstrual bleeding and the severity of menstrual cramps. Overall, ginger is a versatile spice that has many potential health benefits. If you're interested in using ginger for medicinal purposes, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.